Well, here it is. It's October 13th, and it's starting to get a little colder at night. So, I'm gonna do a quick video here on firing up my outdoor furnace. So this is a classic central boiler, 1648. I mean, I've got one season on it, but it's all stainless inside. No blower or anything. Try not to get totally soaked here. Got our circulators in here, it's all insulated. Everything's kind of labeled here. We got this one's for the shop, this one's for the house. Got our main breaker up there. We'll deal with that then. But first things first, we gotta get this cap off the stack. Now eventually I'm gonna build a roof, actually in a couple weeks. I'm gonna start building the roof that's gonna cover all this, because last year the snow was kind of annoying. But yeah, let's get that cap off there first. Cap's just a piece of stainless. It's got like a little cam lock sort of system there. Just put it on when I'm not using it because it keeps stuff out. And I think I stuff it in there normally. Alright. Now we're ready to build a fire. And of course it's gotta start raining like crazy right now. Oh well. Don't take a whole lot to get this going. These are just some broken pallet slats I had. There we go. Light this up. Now we're going to close the door, get this to draft. Actually, what we got to do is got to kick this main breaker on. If you heard that click, that's opening up the draft plate. So let's close this door. We got smoke coming out the chimney, so we'll check back with this in a second. Right, not doing too bad. Leave this door open for a little bit, let that get thawed up. In the meantime, we'll start cutting up some of the smaller ash here. That's not pretty good. It's loaded up and basically that it. We got it full egg up. Temperature right now we're at 57 degrees, full egg up. Around like 140 or so. We're going to turn one second on quite the shop in the office. Just running that for now and we'll kind of have afterwards. In a couple minutes now, we're up a couple degrees on the water. Oh yeah, she's going good now. Alright, well we'll let that go and we'll check back in when the temperature's up over 100. Viewers, yeah, 62. Alright. Alright, well it's the next morning. Up at 163. Checked it before I went to bed last night when I filled it up. It's only at 111, but as you can see, I put all this wood in there last night about 9 o'clock and didn't really burn any of it. So that's kind of the efficiency of this thing. I mean, it is probably 55 degrees out right now, but yeah. Water levels. I don't know where the water level is. Oh, way up there. Yeah, so it's working as it should. So that's going to kind of wrap this video up a little bit, but I'll give you a little sneak peek of something that I'm working on that is related to the wood stove. So this is going to be a wood processor that I'm building, and I'm making a video on this as well. But so basically what you'll do is you'll lay your logs on here like this, and this floor chain will pull the logs forward. You know, I have a sprocket here, chain drive to a hydraulic motor. And I've got a conveyor that I'm going to set here. So I'll drop the log in here, and the log will move this way. It'll get clamped, and then I'll build a hydraulic chainsaw that'll cut it off here, and I'll drop down. Because I split all my logs with a cone splitter. So I split the entire log into quarters or thirds or whatever it works out to be. So I just need something to buck these logs up, and this is kind of what I ended up with. And I've got a diesel power unit I'm going to mount here, and then right here I'm going to build like a small little cab operator station, something, you know, you can get out of the weather to work on this. So even if it's rainy, you can still split wood, or snowing or whatever. And yeah, so yeah, it just kind of wraps up the wood stove video, and we'll catch you in the next project. Hey pups.